At this time, I'd like to thank our court sponsors, the American Legion Post 189, DHS Federal Credit Union Taylor Law Offices, the Chenango Country Club, James Cole and Associates, and Walkham's Department Store, Electron Coil, Oliver Sanders, Sereno Insurance, Rockstar DJ Service, Calvary Baptist Church, The Label Gallery, Wells Fargo Advisors, SNS Appliance, DA Gilbert Drive for County Judge, Frank Lavore Jr. for County Judge, and the Storage Center, also Rentals to Go. Thanks to our Macker Brothers, New York Pizzeria, Chenango Eye Associates, Grandview Optical, Progressive Dental, Peggy Parker Real Estate, Park Place Restaurant and Lounge, Parsons Daughter, L.W. Morrison Sons. Remember to get yourselves hydrated, guys. It's a hot day. We've got lots of great venues in the East Park for our new sound stage here for the East Park. Lots of great food and beverage venues there. Another Coke products and water. The junior class, the NHS junior class is we have a water tank next to the caboose. Everything is half off, prices have dropped. Also, if you're looking for a shirt, a Macker shirt, for only $10, they have a blowout at the bracket tent. That's next to the caboose as well. And while you're at the caboose, you can have lunch. You can sit on the balcony and watch the game. It's a great place to have breakfast. Remember, if you're looking for a Macker shirt, grab one at the bracket tent. They're only $10. Go see Jeff the Icon, Jeff Harris. Great competition up here at the top men's court and top women's court. There's still seating available. So please stop on and check out some of these things. We've got great competitors up here playing right now. And while you're here, check out Threads by Gus. They're open. We've got great merchandise, Gus Macker merchandise, great t-shirts. The 2012 t-shirt is here. And that's something you want to take home every year. Gus Macker t-shirt. And you want to check that out. Their prices are low all day. And if you're hungry, you want to cool off a little bit up here, we've got Chobani Yogurt. Please Chobani Yogurt. It's up here at the top men's court. Right to my left-hand side of the sound stage. And it's got great yogurt, blueberry, strawberry, the candy one, lemon. And the girls at Chobani will hook you right up. Chobani is sponsoring the U.S. Olympic team this summer. An awesome cricket. I don't think we've ever had a company in the area sponsor our Olympic team. They are the official Olympic sponsor for the 2012 Games in London, England. Thank you, Chobani. Also, smoking is prohibited today here in Nashville. No smoking. No dogs are allowed. No bicycles. If you have found something today, keys, a wallet, or someone's personal property, then right here at the sound stage, we'll make sure to get it back to their owner. If you're looking for medical attention, head over to the fire department, the firehouse here in Norwich by the railroad tracks, and the mass center's there. I'll be able to picture right up. Go see Uncle Jim. Uncle Jim's over there right now. And he's ready for it. He'll take good care of it. So remember to keep yourselves hydrated, guys. It's just going to get hotter today. Hope you're having a good time out there. Also like to thank some of our bigger sponsors today, Frontier Communications, NBC Bank, and I'd like to extend the thanks to the top squad of the top sports teams here today for allowing us to use the parking lot for our competition. Now, a reminder to you guys that the parking lot is only for top patrons and customers of top, so please don't park here. Only if you're shopping, we appreciate that. Got some real competitive things up here at the top end court. Come on up and check it out today. Also want to thank all of our volunteers today. We can't do this without you guys who do taking volunteers. Also appreciate the Norwich Police Department, the Norwich Fire Department, and all our volunteers, our fire police. Thank you guys. You had a quick response today. You did a great job. We do appreciate it. Thanks so much. Here's one going out to the kids.
If you took the big guy, will they keep the brother on me?
Can I have Team Reckless to court O, please? Team Reckless to court O? Get this with me? Team Reckless to court O, please. Right, going on to Gooby's team. What's up, dude? There's safety if you want it.
Like that fast? I saw him caught behind me. No smoking. You get a chance to sit up. We appreciate that. Thank you.
Hustling, guys.
What's the score? It's really hot. We just did a paper
They're hustling, guys. They're hustling. Good help. Good help. Watch behind you. Nice pass. All right, defense. Play defense, guys. Hustle. Be all over now, man. All over. All over this. Watch the pick. Watch the pick. Good rebound. Good rebound. Down low. Down low. All over, Million. Attaboy. All over.
What? You lost.
Trying to put passes to him. I couldn't.